Hi, I'm back. It's been a little bit. I did not bring any of my equipment, so the audio is gonna probably be a little wonky. But I have an unboxing. I am signed up for the FabFitFun. You just had to look. Because I always mix up the order. But I have the FabFitFun boxes. So I wanted to open that with you guys because I order them, I put everything in the cart, and then I don't remember. I never go back and look, and I'm like, all right, surprise in 3 months. So we're gonna open it, see what our surprises are. As you can see, I had to start breaking into it so I didn't dox myself. I still haven't all the way opened it, but I do know that in this box, I think monthly, I have panty liners of some sort. If that freaks you out, I apologize, but it's just the life I live. I think they're the bamboo ones or something. I don't know. We'll see. For the flow bamboo liners, individually wrapped and all that fun stuff. I would not use these for my period. I was just reading the side. This is more like the little days after. And honestly, for the whole thing, you gotta be grown and know about that. See what they gave me. A coupon for better help. A glad. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's that. If I wanted to go to Bahamas, I'm leaving. There'll be signs. HelloFresh meal thingy. Now I think we're down to the fun parts. What is this? A cycle support pack. Ooh. Let's take this anytime during the week, the month, every day. Ooh. Sorry, y'all. I gotta leave these together. Formulated to ease the symptoms of menstrual cycle. Do I have to take these during my cycle? Start here on the first day of your period. Take a little in the morning. Continue here. Oh, that's to use throughout the month. My cycle isn't 7 days, but I get the product. Do I just stop after that and then I switch to here? Well, that's kind of cool. All right, so I got a Basque sunscreen, which is really cool. I have recently bought a sunscreen, so we're gonna compare. See what all those active ingredients are, because I don't know what they are. Okay, so just let me know I need to put this on every 2 hours, which is fine. That's a pretty good amount. It looks pretty good for 3. I mean, honestly, it looks pretty good. Size for like 3 and some ounces. So we'll have to give that a go. It's sheer. And it's moisturizing, which is 2 things a girl like me needs. To be honest, I have no idea what this is. I started opening the wrapper, but I was like, I'm gonna do it. Might as well wait for y'all. Ooh, feels like some jewelry. Our spare change. Ooh. I'm not good at opening things one-handed, so y'all have to just appreciate my houndstooth pants. Ooh, these are pretty. I don't remember picking these, but these are cute. Ooh, where's the story? Yeah, definitely gonna have these on soon. I don't even remember picking this either, but I've used like the Lumi before, so I wanted to see if this was something that was good. It does not have aluminum. You can put it on your feet. Oh, there you go, under arms, under boob, privates. Looks to be about anywhere. No artificial fragrances. I'll go through here later, but it's good to always read these little alerts because I learned that I don't need to be using this up in the sun like that because it might make me tender to the sun and prone to breaking out. So that's really good to know. It's got some acid in it. Oh, AHA. I guess I could have just read that right there. All right, so I can't wait to try that. Ooh, I gotta see how this works. I wish I could, oh, I don't want to open it yet. I do want to smell it though. Usually in the morning and the evening, use daily. Massage into clean, slightly damp skin. Can be used as a hair oil to tame flyaways. How you gonna be a flyaway oil and remove stretch marks? Or lighten them anyway. I don't think you can actually remove stretch marks. But I'm gonna try this out. Let me see what's all up in there. Avocado oil, marula oil, jojoba, babola, neroli? Neroli. Okay, that is neroli. I thought maybe some letters was missing. Grapefruit oil, alcohol, citronella. Those ones, components of natural essential oils. Gotta be a little careful with essential oils. They can cause irritation, but I'm interested to smell this one for one. I'm gonna sniff it when I get the chance to open it. I like the bottle too. These darker bottles actually help preserve essential oils, so that's really cool. And I guess this is the piece de resistance. If it works on legs, I'm never gonna have a razor again. I keep saying I'm gonna try this out for y'all, let you know how it go. I guess I'll try this out today. So I can get ready for my swim meet. Just kidding, I'm not a swimmer. I can't swim, I'm just not a swimmer. I'm gonna try this out. I guess I could take it out, but it's rechargeable. And that's already half the battle, I think. Yes, cordless and rechargeable, hey. And waterproof, I can use it in the shower, hey. And adjustable combs, hey. So we'll see. As y'all can see, got a lot of little goodies to try, put together, see how it goes. I can give you a review of each item. If that's something you guys are interested in, you can leave that below. If it's not something you're interested in, tell me too. Save me the time making a video, but I'm probably gonna do it for you regardless, because I know what you want. I'm just kidding. I don't really know what you want, but it's just, I like products. I like to use them. I like to tell y'all what I think of them. I'm not getting paid for it, so I can be rude. No, I'm just gonna be honest. Well, thank y'all for stopping by. Like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Push the notification bell to know when I upload.